The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the iPhone XS Max for Straight Talk. So the iPhone XS Max is now here at Straight Talk. So that's the phone right there in front of you. It's available in 3 colors: gold, space gray, or silver. But it's only available in one storage option, and that is 64 gig. So yeah, this is the biggest iPhone that Apple has ever made thus far. So that's the front of the phone right there, guys. It looks very nice, in my opinion. So on the front of the phone, you guys have a front-facing camera, earpiece. On the side, on the left side, you have the volume buttons, and you have like your sound key or whatever. On the right side, you do have your power button there. On the right side of the phone, like I said, power button. The camera does stick out. On the back of the iPhone XS Max, you guys got dual cameras, camera flash, Apple logo, and your iPhone logo there. So of course the iPhone XS Max will have 4G LTE. It has Wi-Fi. It has a 6.5-inch display. It's an OLED display there. It's a dual 12-megapixel wide angle and telephoto cameras. It's 25 hours of usage time, 13 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of internal memory. The dimensions of this phone is 6.20 inches height, 3.5 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. Alright. So it says here, welcome to the big screens. Super Retina and the largest display ever on an iPhone. Even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system with depth control. iPhone XS Max is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme. The best color accuracy in the industry, advanced color management automatically displays your content in wide color, so everything you look at looks beautiful. True Tone, a 6-channel light sensor, subtly adjusts the white balance on screen to match the color temperature of the light around you, so images on the display look as natural as on a printed page and are easier on your eyes. Alright. So of course in the next episode it is going to tell you guys that you guys can get the iPhone XS Max with the no contract plan, of course. And if you guys want to get more specs on the iPhone XS Max, you guys can get the Apple's website and check it out there. And like I said, the iPhone XS Max is available in 3 colors. You have gold right here. You have silver, and then you have space gray. Alright. And y'all guys can get the iPhone XS Max on a monthly installment, or y'all guys might just phone outright. So if you guys have excellent credit, the iPhone XS Max can be yours for $52.99 a month for 24 months. If you guys are building credit, y'all guys can get the iPhone XS Max for $133.59 a month for 15 months. But if you guys want to buy this phone outright, it's $10.99. Alright. So do keep that in mind. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys the specs again. So the dimensions of the iPhone XS Max is 6.20 inches height, 3.5 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. It has CDMA eVideo Rev A. It uses Verizon towers. The iPhone XS Max weighs 7.34 ounces, including lithium-ion battery. Talk time 24 hours, 25 hours of talk time, 13 hours of usage time or whatever. And what you guys get in the box is your standard stuff for an iPhone. You guys get the iPhone XS Max with iOS 12, AirPods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and documentation. And of course, a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. iPhone purchases are limited to a maximum of 2 per order. Okay, so do keep that in mind. So alright. So the iPhone XS Max also obviously has iOS 12 on there. iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system, packing with packed with powerful features that help you get the most out of every day. Cameras, dual 12 megapixel wide angle and telephoto cameras, 2x optical zoom, digital zoom up to 10 times. Faster LTE and Wi-Fi. LTE advanced up to 450 megabytes and 8211 ABG and AC Wi-Fi. Battery is built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Wireless charging works with Q chargers. Charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. Alright. So there it is, guys. The iPhone XS Max now available at Straight Talk. It's available in 3 colors: space gray, silver, or gold. But it's only available in 64 gig, and you guys can get this on a monthly plan, or buy this phone outright for $10.99. So there it is, guys. iPhone XS Max is now here at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.